Behind me, I have the brand new BMW i5 M60, and I've been driving it around for a whole week. It actually belongs to BMW Park Lane, and it goes back tomorrow. But before I do that, I'm going to modify it. So this is the end result. We've fitted the full M Performance kit to the BMW i5 M60. So let's take a closer look. The car is very angular and quite aggressive looking anyway, and I think this design just adds to that. It's very different to anything we've seen from BMW M Performance, and in fact that's quite different to what I've seen in the aftermarket, and I think this is going to be the next evolution of design. The front splitter is actually in 4 different pieces, and this splitter comes down and leaves a gap in between. I really like this. I think that's a really interesting design feature. Coming round to the side of the car, we have a carbon fiber side skirt, and interestingly it's not a full one. So on these cars normally you would get a full carbon fiber side skirt, but this one ends in the middle here, and the design is a reflection of this little indent here, and again I think that's very cool. If we move round to the back of the car, we can see we have a traditional style spoiler with some nice design cues like this bit in the middle, which almost lines up to the aerial at the top there. The diffuser is also very interesting and different to what we've seen from M Performance before, and I think it's actually quite different from anything I've seen in the aftermarket. So it's got a side skirt that runs along the side of the bumper, it's got some diffuser fins in the middle, and again this is something I haven't seen before, but overall I think it really works. The car is very angular and aggressive looking, and I think this kit just adds a little something to make it look different. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?